Is UPI really going to become chargeable? Social media is full of claims, so let's understand all the facts and what is actually happening. Number 1. You will now have to pay a fee every time you use UPI. False! The government has clarified that consumers will continue to use UPI without any transaction charges. Number 2. Every UPI payment above 2000 rupees will now attract a charge. Nothing is finalized yet. This is only speculation, and if it happens, MDR charges will only be applied to merchant transactions above a much higher threshold. Number 3. Sending money to your parents, family, or friends through UPI will become chargeable. False. The government has specifically said any person-to-person UPI transactions will remain free. Number 4. Your local chaiwala, sabjiwala or kirana store will now have to pay MDR on UPI. The government says no. Small vendors and small businesses are meant to be excluded. MDR is expected on large merchants with massive turnovers. So, what is all this talk about MDR? See, every time a user pays via UPI, the bank moves the funds instantly. None of that is free. So, MDR, or merchant discount rate, is the fee businesses pay to banks and service providers for processing digital transactions to support things like servers, cybersecurity, and fraud protection. This fee is already charged with card payments, but to boost UPI, the government removed MDR in 2020. And now they've introduced an enabling provision in Parliament to amend the law. This doesn't mean charges start tomorrow. It just gives the government the flexibility to ensure long-term sustainability and technological growth. UPI has been a massive success. In July 2026 alone, it processed nearly 30 lakh crore rupees. It's now the world's largest real-time payment system, even going live in 11 other countries. But growth at this scale requires massive investment. We need better cybersecurity and stronger servers to handle 1 billion transactions a day. Relying solely on government subsidies isn't viable forever. This new law is about making UPI self-sustaining so it stays secure and innovative for decades to come. So, once the Parliament passes the proposed bill, the UPI and Services Steering Committee, headed by NPCI, will decide on the MDR. As and when these MDR charges are introduced, they will apply only to a limited set of merchant transactions, above a certain threshold, at a nominal rate far lower than debit or credit card MDR. Users and small merchants are expected to remain free. Hope you found this information useful and thank you for watching.